which qualifications are in demand. If you want to get a job even before you leave campus, or if you want to be your own expert, become a data scientist. This means that you can analyze data. You know Microsoft Excel very well. You can come to institutions like Institute of Forensics and ICT Security at www.forensicsinstitute.org and attain our course in Advanced Excel. It will give you a lot of opportunities to understand, because every organization has got Microsoft Office application. They have got Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, but many organizations are only using 10 or 20% of these applications. So you can transform your career by just knowing data analytics using Excel and become a champion and a trainer to everybody who comes into the organization. That will propel your reputation in the company instantly, and you will succeed in your career immediately. Thank you.